Heddi and I am the Big Cheese founder of San Francisco-based travel gift card mytab.co. Today we're going to talk about hierarchy organizational charts. There are two different ways to be able to do hierarchy charts. The prime ones being that it's about goals and objectives. And the second one is about management. So we're going to keep it really simple. There are various other ones, but forget about those for now. I don't want to confuse you. Keep to the simple ones. So I'm going to show you these and two examples of, and then how to do it so easily in Excel. It is so much fun to do. Honestly, trust me. Come with me. So hierarchy organizational charts. This is like a task analysis. So you're looking down here now of the pecking order of which is the least important that leads to the most important and how everything interlinks, from recognizing a situation to identifying what you need to do to address a situation to then at the very top, the creme de la creme on problem solving this. These are, I'm not keen on those. This is the more that I'm talking about, the one that you probably heard of. Managing director, marketing director, finance director, down to all the people right down at the very, very bottom of the tier, who's in charge of who, etc. So go to Excel, click on new, don't click blank document, okay? Click on then insert and then go to smart art. Click hierarchy. Then click any of these boxes. It's not a big deal whichever one you choose. You can always change them once you're in. Now we're starting to do a hierarchy chart. So I am the Big Cheese, I'm the top founder, my dog is the right-hander, and Mandy is our lead designer. Underneath that, there are 3 tech people. But then I'm looking at this, maybe somebody becomes more important. That tech guy becomes more of my right-hander, Mandy slightly moves to the sideline, or maybe I put him back in his place again. My dog ends up literally overseeing the tech team. Why she would do that is beyond me, but you can see how I'm playing around with the images on this. I remember that image that I showed you first, you can change the design. It's irrelevant which one that you create first. You can start changing the design and the colors and the graphs and the layout, and then you can start messing around even further on changing the arrows. It is very, very, very easy to do. You can add shapes, adding shapes before or after. Before is above Heddi and after is below. Add a shape, not a big deal that you just put it there. You can then start moving the shape around and then adding subordinates, and hey, now you've got somebody else that's involved in the team, maybe in the middle. You're gonna grab an arrow for the admin person. Do you understand? Now you're creating a design of a hierarchy. So remember, the one that I created was based on management team. Say for example, you're doing a hierarchy on trying to produce X, Y, Z at the top, and at the bottom, this is where you need to start with in different talking points. You're using, the text is the same. The design, you can play around with it, whatever you want to go, fancy, schmancy or basics. It depends whether you're in corporate or creative, what you're using it for. But remember, that's just basically how to make very, very simple. Open up a new Excel document and then click on the insert, and then you're looking at the art, the smart art. And then from there, you can start playing around. So whichever design you come out with first, don't think that's the one that you're stuck with and it's there forever and infinity. It is not. Don't panic about these things. What the worst thing that's going to happen, you're going to delete it and start all over again. It's not the worst thing in the world. So once you create a design, you can then play around and use other designs, different images, drag and drop who's important to you at that day, that week, who's sucking up to you in work that maybe needs bumping up the hierarchy level, different salary ranges, and you can then play around with the arrows and the colors as well. But that's how you do it. My name's Heddi. I am the Big Cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co in beautiful San Francisco. Have an absolutely amazing day.